Amitabh Ghosh, The Shadow Line is a remarkable exploration of invisible borders that shape human lives, and this documentary invites us to travel through its layered world, where the boundaries between countries, memories, and identities blur into one another. The novel unfolds through the reflections of an unnamed narrator who grew up in Calcutta listening to memorizing stories of his cousin Tridip, whose imagination opens window into places the narrator has never seen. Through Tridip's vivid tales of London streets, wartime bunkers, and war-away houses, the narrator learns distance is not measured in miles but in depth of one understanding, and that imagination has the power to collapse geography. Yet, as he grew taller and begins to encounter the world for himself, he also learns that borders created by nation, political, and fear can become painfully real. The novel moves between Calcutta, London, and Dhaka, showing how events in one corner of world ripple across continent, drawing the strangers and families into same web of history. Ghosh uses the transitional moment to question of idea of nationhood itself. If people can love, suffer, and remember across borders, then how meaningful are lines that divide one country from another? Through the intertwined lives of narrator's family and the Price family of England, the novel reveals how personal stories are intimately linked with global events and how friendships, affections can across boundaries that politically tries to harden. But Shadow Lines is not only about connection, it is also about violence and it erupts when borders become weapon and the riots in Calcutta Dhaka sparked by political tensions and religious hatred expose the fragility of human safety and the unpredictability of mob rage. Ghost shows how people who share language, memories, and histories can be torn apart when fear is manipulated for political end. Tridiv's tragic death during Dhaka riots become the emotional center of novel, a moment that shatters the narrator's understandings of world and forces him to confront cruel irony that reveals can lost the central truth of novel lines separating nation areas in many shadow lines arbitrary division drawn by history sustained by memory and often made real only through violence. The novel also reflects deeply on function memory. Every character remembers events differently and the shifting relocations creating a voice of truth. The narrator must navigate memory, both bridge and a barrier, connecting people across time, people while also revealing how incomplete, subjective, fragile understanding of past can be. Ghost challenges us to consider how personal memories intertwine with collective histories, how stories we inherit shape of sense of identity, uh, and how forgetting can be as powerful as remembering. The narrator's relationship with Ella and may further illuminate the tension between imagination and reality. Ella moves freely across the world, yet remains emotionally rootless, always seeking belonging but never finding it. Her life becomes a commentary on a illusion of freedom in a globalization world. May, on other hand, carries the weight of Tridib memory with quiet dignity, uh, teaching the narrator love, the responsibility often demand painful honesty. Through this relationship, the narrator learns that connections are not defined by geography but by empathy. The novel suggests together borders on maps, but by bonds people in other death. In this sense, the shadow line shows the meditation on belonging, how people construct homes, not places, inhabit uh, memories and relationship by cherish. As the documentary reflects the Ghosh powerful narrative, it's invite look beyond the division that shapes its own world at the time when waters increasingly polished the identities connected and the magnified. The shadow lines urge us to recognize humanity and flaws across these boundaries, reminding the divisions we believe to permanent are often no more shadow, fragile, shifting, and capable of disappearing when confronted the understanding and the compassion. Thank you.